would not otherwise have available to them. And members should remember that. Question number 8, Hone Harawira.
Kia ora, Mr. Speaker. To the Minister, what is the likely total cost of the Urewera Four case to the Crown from the start of surveillance of suspects to the close of the trial on Tuesday, including all of the different government departments that were involved?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
I'm advised that the costs for New Zealand Police, excluding salaries, as at September 2011, were $500,462. I'm further advised that police projected total costs are difficult to predict at this time. Crown law records that the total cost of prosecutions, which involved hearings and appeals on a series of interlocutory applications as well as substantive trial matters, totaled $322,412.35 between 2009 and 17 February 2012. Crown law does not yet have information on the cost of the most recent hearing that ended on Tuesday, but expects to be advised of this shortly by the Crown Solicitor in Auckland.
Hone Harawira.
Kia ora. Will government's eventual costs include the estimated $12.5 million spent on the surveillance activities of government agencies such as the Security Intelligence Service, the Government Communication Security Bureau, the Special Tactics Group and the Special Intelligence Group, and other agencies whose costs are not required to be made public, as are costs such as legal aid?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Well, yes, I imagine they are costs to the Crown.
Hone Harawira.
What compensation will the government offer to the people of Tūhoe for the human rights violations that they suffered at the hands of the Crown? And will that compensation include the return of Te Urewera to Tūhoe? And if not, why not?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
That's the whole question of historical redress for grievances suffered by Tūhoe over the years are the subject of negotiations being conducted on behalf of the Crown by the Minister in charge of treaty negotiations and Tūhoe, and the results of that will be made known in due course.
Question number 9, Dr. Cam Calder.